Hey, what's up guys? In previous days, in recent videos, I review many of beautiful depth clocks for your Galaxy device. But today in this video, I'm going to show you new lock screen live clocks with live seconds for your Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first disable your system clock, tap and hold, set transparency like this, and disable your system lock screen clock. And look at this, disable my system lock screen clock. Now download this app on your Galaxy device. This app download link available on description. After download, simply tap and open. After open, look at this, many beautiful depth clocks also on this app. Look at this trending section. This is trending lock screen clocks. But guys, look at this, live seconds also available on this clock. Many beautiful live clocks wallpapers with live seconds available on this app. Simply go to recent wallpapers and scroll. Look at this, many beautiful spatial wallpapers also on this app. Look at this. This is live clock seconds. Simply tap and tap on apply depth wallpaper, set only on lock screen. And look at this, new live clock with live seconds on your Galaxy device. If you go to setting, look at this, you also set theme dark mode and light mode on this app. Guys, let me show you depth wallpaper settings. Look at this, you also set all settings like this. You also set clock colors, color blend mode, many of amazing options on this app. Simply find live clock seconds, look at this, and apply. So guys, you also set these live clocks on your any Galaxy device. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.